Japanese tuner Mugen is popular for making the absolute coolest renditions of Hondas, and for creating execution parts that offer an unmistakable contrast. The organization has even worked inseparably with Honda before creating generation vehicles like the uncommon 2008 Mugen Si. We adore manifestations like those, yet this specific Civic Type R idea vehicle is somewhat harder to swallow. Mugen considers it the RC20 GT, and it's based off the present Type R. Indeed, there are execution enhancements, yet we should discuss the hopes to start. A lot of people out there won't ever give the typical Type R the season of day because of the wild, kid racer structure Honda forced on it. In taking a gander at this, we can't state it's a lot of an enhancement. The grille is a whole lot more awful. The sides of the front guard look like a changed individual's alternated drawing lines. Be that as it may, all the phony vents? Gone. We value that, yet Mugen simply made it a wreck of bodywork in advance. Out back, the tri-tipped trap exhaust is supplanted by one rather controlled pipe. That pipe happens to lead back to a full titanium exhaust. That guard we were mourning about prior is made of carbon fiber, with the side skirts and new wing going with the same pattern. We do like the new 20-inch manufactured wheels. An A-spec flexible suspension is included, alongside better brakes and can seats wearing saddles. In spite of the fact that one drive of the Type R will make them think about how Mugen figured out how to improve a slowing mechanism than Honda in that vehicle. Power continues as before, however 306 pull and 295 pound-feet of torque is bounty for the front wheels to deal with. Do remember this is an idea plan, so starting at now, you won't perceive any Civic strolling around the lanes with this confront. To see this Mugen you'll need to go to the Tokyo Auto Salon, where Mugen has a couple of other custom vehicles like a Mugen Insight and CR-V on the stand.